And now for the news in detail. Home Minister Lakshman Rimboy has said the government has already initiated disciplinary proceedings against the former Assistant Inspector General of Police G.K. Iangrai as per the mandate of the rule in this particular case. Rimboy said the article of charge has been submitted and now the disciplinary committee will look into all aspects. Earlier, the Meghalaya Lokayukta has summoned former Director General of Police R. Chandranathan and Meghalaya Police Officer G.K. Iangrai in connection with a complaint asking the panel to probe the misuse of vehicles in the police headquarters. It may be mentioned that the complaint on irregularities in the procurement of vehicles and other anomalies was lodged by Trinamool Congress spokesperson Sakit Gokhale.
Monitor exactly what is the inquiry all about, but the duty is to find the truth. And as I said, whatever report they have been submitted, the article of charge which have been submitted, the disciplinary committee will look in all these aspects and action as and when they finish, if proven, will be taken, action will be taken.
Meghalaya Director General of Police Dr.